Today we're going to be rebuilding this 2014 Acura TL that was hitting the front. Let's get straight to it. Let me take out the tire real quick. And we're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. I think I already found the reason why they crashed. Look at this tire, it's crazy. Anyways, started to take out the inner fender, all the little plastic pieces, and the headlight as well as the side skirt so we could take out the fenders and the headlight. Alrighty, so now with the fender removed, we're able to uncover all the damaged pieces. We're able to pull it out real quick, and yeah, you can see there's a couple of little scratches and dents. Then we painted the fender and bumper, which we'll be showing you shortly off camera. Like that, we can put it on the car, align everything, and all these parts are new. Now we're checking out all the body gaps, all the body lines, making sure everything is lining up, making sure nothing else is bent. Like that, we can go straight away to align everything, tighten all the bolts up, and get ready to it. But then we found out that the headlight module was bad with the HIDs. We decided to change from the Honda dealer the bumper bracket for the headlight, as you can see here. And then I'm going to tighten it up with the two 10mm screws that are on the headlight. Why are you recording that? Alrighty, so now that we got all the pieces of the bumper and fender painted with Bulldog, sanded down, and some white base coat, decided to put the car together by sanding it, wet sanding the whole car down. We're going to be doing some blending, and yeah, so let's get straight into prepping for paint. Alright, so we got the fender on, the headlight on, and we're wet sanding the car so we could do a full blend. Now we're replacing the fender, as you saw, and we're blending into the quarter panel pillar. We're blending into the door and throwing clear the whole door. We're blending into the hood like that, the color matches, as well as this little piece. We replaced the headlight. We're sanding the grille molding, and as well as this side fender, because we're doing that. Oh, Papi, what about here? Okay. So that's pretty much it. Car is wet sanded. 1200? Yeah, 1000. Okay. Next is the front bumper. I don't know if we're going to be mounting it. We're not going to mount it, right? No? Okay. Anyways, he's sanding this. That's left with sanding, and then we're going to clean the car with the garden hose and get this thing cleaned up. So we got the car all masked up, taped up, and now we're ready to throw some paint on everything. My dad's doing all the finishing touches with the door handle because we're not painting that. And we're going to do a little blend to the door, a little blend to the pillar, a little blend to the hood, and a little blend to the fender. By that, paint match would not be an issue on this car. We also have the front bumper right here. We're going to paint it out of the bumper, out of the car. Like that, we can paint inside these places where you can't paint if it was on the car, because you had the grill and stuff. And we also painted the grill and filled it up, a couple little scratches and stuff. Let's get to painting. So we do the base coat and the pearl on the car and on the bumper, and now we're throwing clear on both of the parts right now. Alrighty, so we got the front bumper painted, the hood, the fender, blended the door and the side fender as well. And everything's painted, looking pretty good. We'll need a muff because we got a little bit of trash in the hood, but it came out good from this angle. You cannot see anything. Bumper came out good. No need for a compound or buff. Came out good. Next, we're gonna come back in the morning, take all the tape off, all the plastic off, and put the car together. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be replacing the fender liner that goes under the wheel well on both sides. This one's obviously missing one because I took it out. Let's go straight into putting that in. Alright, so we sanded the hood, the fenders, and the bumper to do some compound. I put the headlights together, and I changed the HIDs and the computer module for the headlights. So now let's get to buffing the car. Forgot to record an outro for this video, so then you're gonna have to listen to my voice. I don't have a picture of when the car is finished. I might have one later on and I'll put it on the thumbnail. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, we're on a goal to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can help me out with that, it is free. If you stay to the end of this video, please comment down below what's your thoughts And gotta catch you guys in the next video. Peace and God bless.